how to change the name of your place in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily change the name of your place in Roblox. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is head on to create.roblox.com, which is the official creator page of Roblox creators. Now once you are here, you will see this particular interface as you can see right here. Now within this, click onto this Creations tab, and within the Creation tab, make sure that you are under Experiences. Within the experiences, you will see your first ever experience, which is already created, which is known as your username and then the place, which is also called experience. Now, in order to change the name of this particular experience, simply click onto the experience and then click onto settings, which appear right here in this particular section. And from here, simply change the name. So, for example, I'm going to name it something else. And once you are done with this, simply scroll down and click onto the Save Changes button in order for your changes to be applied. Once your changes will be successfully saved, you can try going back and you can see that the name of your place or the experience has successfully changed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.